Okay, this is Angus37 for Passat World Forums. Been working on trying to replace the fuel pump. I got the new fuel pump today and replaced it tonight. I started it once and it has been successful. It started again. I want you to hear the sound the engine's making. It sounds like it's running a little rough. And of course now it's not going to start at all. Hope you can hear that. I'm just keeping my foot on the gas, trying to keep it constant. It's running strong for a little bit and then just dies down. See what you have to say.